Where are we, Monica?
We're in Kentucky. Louisville, Kentucky.
I figure if I'm in Louisville, I'm gonna come and I'm gonna get some bourbon. Where better to have it than Whiskey Row? Let's go get some bourbon. Come on. Entrance is over here. Oh, let's go get some bourbon.
Huh. Is that the Bourbon Room? There we go.
Oh, we have not open over here on this side until about 5 o'clock.
Well, we're here on Whiskey Row. Came to Doc Crow's to get a little drink. The Bourbon Room is not open yet. We're a little early, but we're gonna, waiting for a table and then gonna get in there and get some drinks. I mean, look at that. All these pages. So bourbon is a subset of whiskey. So all bourbon is whiskey, but not all whiskey is bourbon. So you know what? I think I might do a flight because look, they have this introduction to bourbon where you get 4. So I'll probably do a flight of something. I love choices.
How was your birthday yesterday, Monica?
So yes, my brother did invite me for my birthday, and the journey here in itself was an adventure. Catching 4 planes and being able to catch the train and a bus, and then take a motorized scooter. And now I'm here. I had no idea what laid ahead and planned for me. I had 5 meals, 3 birthday cakes, 10 candles to blow out, 3 different distilleries, and so much more snacks that I have no idea where I put it.
Yeah, snacks. Hey, it's only been 2 days. So this is Doc Crow's Old Dirty Bird flight, right? So we have 4. It goes to weakest to strongest. This one right here I'm gonna have is called the chicken cock. It's pretty good.
Cheers.
All right, this one is called the fighting cock. This one's called the Weller Antique 107. This is a Kentucky Owl 10-year rye.
How was that one? How do you like that one?
I like it. Very good. Very smooth, flavorful. Smells good. Oysters, baby. A little vinaigrette there. A little cocktail sauce. Ooh, some horseradish. Oh, yeah. Delicious. They're good.
Doesn't even know if you will.
Alright. Number 2 in the flight. The Fighting Cock 103. Has a little hint of cinnamon in it. Not my favorite. So number 3 is going to be the Weller Antique 107. Let's see what that's like. Oh, I like that one a lot better. Stronger. Definitely like it a lot better though. More flavorful. Alright, the last one on our little flight here is the Kentucky Owl 10-year rye. Now they said to work our way from here to here so we don't blow out our taste buds. I've never heard that before. So here's the blowing out our taste buds.
He might not look 60, but I mean, just because he looks 70 doesn't really make it.
That is tasty. Try that. It's got like a hazelnut afterflip taste to it. It's very strong.
I think he blew out our taste buds.
I'll have my water.
That was like, what, moonshine?
No, it was like the burning sensation reminded me of moonshine, but the flavor is actually really good. It has this like kind of hazelnut aftertaste to it, and I kind of like the burning. And my favorite is the Kentucky Owl 10-year rye. Delightful. My least favorite was the Fighting Cock. America. All right, so we're here. We're at a hotel called Distilled, where next door is the restaurant where we're having dinner called Repeal. But we wanted to come to the lobby of the hotel first because what they do.
Thank you very much. Oh,
So
thank you.
in 1 minute, we're gonna do a toast. And it's because that is the hour that the Prohibition was repealed.
With that, everybody, we cheers to the repeal of Prohibition. Cheers, everyone.
Cheers! Tis legal now.
Opa.
Thank you. That was wonderful. Not a repeal.
We just had our free drink over at the Hotel Distilled. We're next door now at Repeal, gonna have some dinner. This is a fabulous restaurant. We walked in, went and sat at the bar. We're gonna get a drink, our table is ready. It's gonna be fantastic. Very excited.
What are you thinking you're gonna get tonight?
Oh, I am gonna get one of everything. Seafood Tower. So we got some shrimps, we got some oysters, but guess what we have on the way? Some king crab legs that are being warmed for us. Oh, fantastic.
There
There we go. Woo. That's right. I'll put these bad boys right here for you. Oh, fantastic. So we got Dijonnaise, cocktail sauce, and clarified butter. Same on the other side. And right here are some house-made Old Bay crackers.
Here we have a Chiachi, a Solomini, Brunello, Reserva Santa Catarina di Oro, 2015.
So, would you like a little taste before I pour them in the decanter? Yes, please. Absolutely. Pleasure, my friend.
Would we all like a little taste, or should I just pour it ready?
Go ahead and pour it.
Yeah.
You got it. Catarina di Oro, 2015.
That's a pretty bomb.
What is Brunello?
This is the kind of wine you're going to want to give it a little bit of time here. I'd say at least 20 minutes. Don't be afraid to just pick it up, give it a little swirl. And you're out of the set. Beautiful.
And my favorite part, I do this one.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you guys. Cheers.
Thank
Got a
you.
little flavor left there on the bottom.
Just finished a great meal on a Sunday night. My sister flies back tomorrow. She came out here for her birthday. We just ate at Repeal. Fantastic meal. It's a great food experience. Let's go.
Thank you, Joe.
Well, we started out drinking that Tuesday or Wednesday or Thursday or Friday afternoon down at the local bar or maybe at the Silver Dollar Saloon.
The reason why fish cheeks are so delicious is because all they do is... That's it.
Again? Again?